If you're a pro home cook, then the Hamilton Beach Professional Mixer Grinder is a must in your arsenal. Let me explain why. This video is made in collaboration with Hamilton Beach, who sent me the product to experience as well as demo for you. Let's start with consistency and texture. Some dishes require coarse grinding and some require fine grinding. For example, many of us like certain types of chutneys, like the coconut chutney, to be coarse, while certain other types of chutneys like the tomato chutney to be ground fine. This mixer grinder has 13 preset programs for dry grinding, wet grinding, soft grinding, soups, blending juices and smoothies that can be activated at the press of a button. Along with 10 variable speeds from 3000 to 18,000 rotations per minute and an intelligent speed sensor that automatically adjusts to deliver precise RPMs, the Hamilton Beach Professional Mixer Grinder is able to give a consistency of your liking for various different types of dishes. Now, many lower wattage mixer grinders do get overheated after continuous running even for 10 to 15 minutes or when grinding hard and thick ingredients. With a 1400 watt powerful motor, the Hamilton Beach Mixer Grinder is able to run continuously for up to 400 hours. Not that we would need it to run for that long for home use, but it's good to know the mixer grinder won't give up on us while grinding. Because it's so powerful, it does have a 16 amp plug point. So whether we are grinding dry spices like turmeric or thick idli dosa batter, the triple motor overload protection ensures continuous operation. The Hamilton Beach Professional Mixer Grinder includes 3 jars, all made of high quality stainless steel. These jars are square in shape, which works as a natural flow breaker to ensure better circulation of food inside the jars to give a better texture. The jars have lids with robust sealing gaskets and locking to prevent leakages, spillages, and hands-free operation. A big plus in my opinion, because let's face it, we do have instances in the past when even a mild overfilling of the jar results in a complete mess in the kitchen. The mixer grinder requires both the lid locked and the jar to be secured in place before spinning, ensuring double safety. The mixer grinder also has a pulse function to break down the ingredients before starting to mix and grind. The preset programs can be changed easily using the buttons. Although it has a round dial, the texture on the dial helps to rotate the dials easily even with wet hands. Let's talk a little bit about Hamilton Beach. Hamilton Beach is America's #1 small appliance manufacturer. But this product has been customized for Indian consumers through 5 years of extensive research, giving superior performance, durability, and safety. With a 5-year warranty that not only covers the product but also the motor, this professional mixer grinder is a perfect addition to help you create better and faster in the kitchen. So whether you're dry grinding spices, wet grinding batter, purees, soups, or making juices and smoothies, the Hamilton Beach Professional Mixer Grinder has you covered at the press of a button. If you found this video useful, share this video and subscribe to become part of the 78,000 plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.